ने गोविंद दियो बताए, कबीरा गोविंद दियो बताए।
Albert Einstein had once said, "It is the supreme art of a teacher to awaken joy, creative expression and knowledge." 5th September is the birth of our former president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. A great scholar, a great personality, but above all, a great teacher. So, this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day as a mark of respect to the contribution made by the teachers to the society. We, the students of Army Public School, Delhi Camp, bring you a very lively presentation to showcase our love.
ज्ञान तो पुस्तकों में भी लिखा होता है और आधुनिक काल में तो गूगल गुरु भी अपना वर्चस्व स्थापित करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, परंतु ज्ञान को जो जीवन के अनुभव और व्यवहार के साथ जोड़कर गुरु जब शिष्य को शिक्षा देते हैं तो उसी शिक्षा से छात्र का सर्वांगीण विकास संभव है। वास्तव में गुरु और शिष्य का यह अद्भुत संबंध स्वस्थ ऊर्जा और ज्ञान का आवाहन करता है। तो आइए इन्हीं अलौकिक भावों को संस्कृत श्लोक के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं।
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुशुभ्राय शुभरत्नाय रत्नत्रयीकरणे श्रुतिकाराय श्रुतसाराय शुद्धप्रदायिने गुरुगौरवाय मोक्षकन्दाय धीमते तेजोवानवे गुरुहेमामास्ते गुरुध्यानागणे नमः। गुरुसाकारसिद्धाय गुरुपरमार्थदायिने।
I'm sure all of us still remember the very first day of our school, when our parents left us in the care of a loving young human who took our hands in hers and made us comfortable. We all call that sweet human as our teacher, who bestows unconditional love, care and support upon us. To this day, we all remember our teachers who have made a big difference in our lives and made us what we are today and what we will be tomorrow.
गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे, आपकी आपसे पहचान करा दे। तराश दे हीरे की तरह तुमको, तराश दे हीरे की तरह तुमको, दुनिया के रास्तों पर चलना सिखा दे। कर दे काया कल्प तुम्हारा, कर दे काया कल्प तुम्हारा, तुम्हें सच और झूठ से वाकिफ करा दे। हमेशा दिखाए सच्चा मार्ग वो तुम्हें, हमेशा दिखाए सच्चा मार्ग वो तुम्हें, तुम्हें एक अच्छा इंसान बना दे। मुश्किलों से लड़कर आगे बढ़ जाओ तुम, मुश्किलों से लड़कर आगे बढ़ जाओ तुम, तुम्हें वो इतना समझदार बना दे, तुम्हें वो इतना समझदार बना दे। बताए तुम्हें वो जीत जाना ही सब कुछ नहीं, बताए तुम्हें वो जीत जाना ही सब कुछ नहीं, हार कर जीतने का हुनर सिखा दे। गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे, आपकी आपसे पहचान करा दे।
An obedient boy, Aruni. Aruni lived in an ashram with his guru and other students. The guru taught him and other students too. There are fields around the ashram. Crops were grown in that. One day, when Guru was taking his class, it rained heavily outside. Because of this, water was filled up everywhere. So Guru was worried about the crops. He thought that the rainwater would create damage and wash away the crops that are grown. The Guru asked Aruni to go and check on the ridge of the field. Aruni was an obedient boy. He went to the field and there was a crack in the ridge of the field. Water was coming out of the crack. Aruni put some mud on the crack to stop the flow of water, but the mud was washed away and the crack became larger. Since the flow of water was strong, Aruni himself lay down against the crack to control the flow of water. Because of this, water was stopped flowing out of the field. Night fell. Aruni did not come back to the ashram. The Guru and the other students became worried for Aruni. They went to the field and see Aruni was lying between the ridge of the field. The Guru felt sorry for him, then raised Aruni and hugged him for his obedience. Moral of the story is, Aruni won his Guru's grace by his unmatched obedience. We too can develop this quality so that God and Guru will bless us, and an example of this quality is always listen to your parents and teachers.
Music can change the world. Dear all, we know that teachers are the torchbearers who lead the way to transform our lives. Let's listen to this musical rendition by a very talented student of our school, which is bound to stir your soul.
Every day you greet your students with a smile on your face, though paperwork night before seems to be a grilling race. Dear teachers, your teaching helps us to see how happy life learning is the key. You open up the minds of young students to show them the wonders of the intellect and miracles to be able to think for ourselves. God understood the thirst of our knowledge and our need to be led by someone wiser, someone who had the heart of compassion, of encouragement and patience, someone who could accept the challenge, someone who could see the potential and believe in the best of others. So, God made teachers.
A teacher is a candle which burns itself to brighten their lives with knowledge and joy. The unprecedented COVID pandemic came as a challenge for our teachers, but they have risen to the occasion with gusto. We salute your amazingly resilient spirit.
We dance for laughter, we dance for fears, we dance for madness, we dance for tears. We dance for hopes and we dance to create scopes. To add flavor to the celebratory mood, we now have a mesmerizing performance. It is an expression of myriad dreams and possibilities that lie within a child's heart, and these can only be fulfilled by teachers.
खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है शम से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, बंद हो जाए सारे दरवाजे नए रास्ते दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप। अज्ञान को मिटाकर ज्ञान का दीपक जलाया है, हमें सही गलत की पहचान सिखाने के लिए धन्यवाद। हमें बड़े सपने देखने और साहस देने के लिए धन्यवाद। हमारे प्रकाश गुरु एवं मित्र बनने के लिए धन्यवाद।
Teachers, this virtual celebration is just a glimpse of the respect and admiration we have for you. Thank you. I would like to thank Mrs. Neetu Kapoor, our respected principal ma'am, for her valuable guidance, and we also thank the students and the staff for their exuberant participation. Happy Teachers' Day.